In this video, I'm going to talk about geocaching, what geocaching is, how do you learn to do it. I had a comment in one of my geocaching videos on they wanted to learn, and how do you learn? Go to geocaching.com. So what is geocaching? As you can see here, it says join the world's largest treasure hunt. The easiest way to do it is right here. It says 3 steps to begin your adventure. Create your account, find a geocache, and then share your experience. So if you scroll down, this is show you how to get started, and then the basics, geocaching 101. So up here at the top, my account is Frugal RV Gal, and I have 276 finds. But I should say, because you see this premium, there is a free app. Well, the app is free, and you just download the app. And here's my app. To locate where you are, there's a little blue dot right here. You hit this center. Now, all these yellow ones are the geocaches I have found. The green ones are the ones I have not found. So you just go to that location and start looking. We started doing some of these. Well, let me show you the ones we did. It's going to be included in this video. It's loading geocaches. Okay, so we finished this leg, C-Dubs and I. This started going up a mountain, and there was a road right here. So we took this road and we came over here and started down this way. And this road was a lot better. But we got tired, so we stopped right there. So next time we'll continue and finish that leg. So let's see. Now, I do pay for the premium, and I can't tell you what to pay for it. I can't, but you can figure all that out on the website. So this is all the, and they have different types of geocaches. Some are puzzles, some are mystery. There's a lot. You have travel bugs. The more you start doing this, the more you'll start learning all the different types of geocache. They have geo art. And you can actually hide a geocache too. You just have to follow the rules and do it through the geocaching.com. You can get souvenirs. And these are just virtual pieces of art that can be discovered and displayed on your profile. That's my souvenirs. But if I do a new state, you get a souvenir. So I've done Nevada, Wyoming, Tennessee. You can download the app and then hit that location button, and you'll probably see geocaches around you wherever you live, all over the world. So download the app and start having some fun finding some treasures. And then sometimes they put geocaches in a cactus. Geocache in a cactus. There it is. Okay, we're assuming that this next geocache is over here by this pole. The things you see in the desert. Did you buzz? Oh, it's a survey marker. Bureau of Land Management. $250 for removal penalty. There's a wire.
I'm thinking that's where it's at.
Oh, sorry.
Is it up? Is that as far as it up it though?
Yeah. Maybe it's one of these rocks. There's a rock behind this bush. I spy.
Yeah, I spotted Tried it. The more you would got it, so I don't know.
I don't either.
I'm being confused. And I've got
Look how deep this wash is. Wow. Well, don't get too close. That just goes straight down. Wow. That's deeper than the North 40. Wow. And that one is in the base of the tree. We're doing some, oh, 4 women.
Oh, yeah, we are.
And that bush just. The main road over there is too narrow, and so I don't know if we're gonna be able to get all these.
That's it. Why don't we park and walk some of them?
Okay, and get back on the main road after this.
There you go.
Here's another one that's in a cactus. Oh, well, it fell out easy.
That's good.
Yeah. It's got a little rubber thing on it. Hanging on a cactus.
Yeah, that was hanging really out, wasn't it?
Why don't you take the bottle off of there? Got out here where the choyas are. Boy, look at that old tree. She says, I spy.
I don't like ripping my hand out.
I know. Look at that wash.